Namaskar. Keep your back straight. Keep your back straight. Eyes closed. Just observe your breathing pattern. कमर सीधे रखिए, आंखें बंद रखिए और अपना पूरा ध्यान अपनी श्वास प्रश्वास पर लगाइए. Just observe your breathing. Slow and rhythmic breath. Let us start the session with chanting. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunakto Sahaviryam Karvavahai Tejasvina Adhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Just keep your back straight and just observe your breath. Gently try to close your eyes. आँखों को बंद रखिए and just observe your breath. Along with your breath, just observe your body. एक दृष्टा भाव से अपने श्वास प्रश्वास और अपने शरीर पर ध्यान लगाइए. Now we will start the practice of Brahma Mudra. ब्रह्म मुद्रा का अभ्यास करेंगे. So keep your neck or your head at the center. अपने सिर को सेंटर में रखिए. And we will start from the right side. Very slowly without any jerk. With inhalation, turn towards your right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stay. 1, 2, 3. Now exhale and release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at the center. Just relax for a while. For 2-3 breaths. Just relax and wait for a while. Now we will do the left side movement. With inhalation, सांस भरते हुए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stay. रुकिए यहाँ पर. 1, 2, 3. Now exhale and come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You are at the center again. So just now you have given right and left side movements. Just relax for a while and try to feel the changes. गर्दन को बहुत ज़्यादा ओवर स्ट्रेच नहीं करना है. आपको जस्ट नॉर्मल मूवमेंट जो आपसे हो सके उतना ही ट्राई करना है. Now with inhalation, you have to lift your head up. सांस भरते हुए सिर को ऊपर उठाइए. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. स्टे, रुकिए यहाँ पर. 1, 2, 3. Now with exhalation, release. Come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you can feel the stretch at your neck. Just relax for a while. बिल्कुल अपने कंधों को और गर्दन की मांसपेशियों को शिथिल कर दीजिए. Now we'll go for the downward movements. सांस भरते हुए ठुड्डी को अपने छाती से लगाएंगे. So now inhale and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stay here. रुकिए. 1, 2, 3. Now exhale and release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Just keep your eyes closed. आँखों को बंद रखिए. And try to feel the changes at your shoulder and at your neck. अपने कंधे और अपने गर्दन पर हो रही गतिविधियों पर अपना ध्यान रखिए. Just observe and relax your neck and shoulders. Now we will go for the second round. So we will start once again from the right side. With inhalation, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stay here. रुकिए. 1, 2, 3. Now exhale and come back. सांस छोड़ते हुए रिलीज कीजिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come to the center and just relax for a while. Just relax for a few breaths. Now we'll go for the left side movements. Start now. With inhalation, सांस भरते हुए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. रुकिए. Stay. 1, 2, 3. Now exhale and release. सांस छोड़ते हुए वापस आइए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So just now we have given right and left side neck movements. Now we will do the upper movements. सांस भरते हुए सिर को ऊपर की ओर लेके जाएंगे. Start now. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stay here. रुकिए. 1, 2, 3. Now exhale and release. सांस छोड़ते हुए वापस आइए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can feel the fine stretch on the back of your neck. Just relax for a while. सांस सामान्य रखिए. Don't hold your breath anywhere. Just relax for a while. अब सांस को भरते हुए we'll do the downward movements. Start now. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. रुकिए. सामान्य सांस के द्वारा. 1, 2, 3. Now exhale and release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Just relax in this position, keeping your eyes closed. Don't open your eyes and just relax yourself. आंखों को बंद रखिए, आंखें खोलनी नहीं है, और अपना पूरा ध्यान अपनी श्वास प्रश्वास पर लगाइए. Just observe your breath, slow and rhythmic breath, inhalation and exhalation. Just observe your breath, the inhalation part and the exhalation part. Mainly the exhalation part, you have to observe the length of your exhalation. Just observe this part, and along with that observation, you have to observe your body. अपने प्रश्वास की प्रक्रिया पर अपना पूरा ध्यान रखेंगे. एक साक्षी भाव से इसको देखने की कोशिश करेंगे, और साथ में शरीर पर, पूरे शरीर के एक एक अंग प्रत्यंग पर अपना ध्यान रखने की कोशिश कीजिए. जस्ट ऑब्जर्व. नाउ वी आर ready for the practice of Tratak. So light your lamp, दिया जलाइए. आंखें बंद रखिए. Keep your eyes closed. और अपना पूरा ध्यान अपनी श्वास प्रश्वास और अपने शरीर पर रखिए. जस्ट आपको एक दृष्टा भाव से अपने आप को देखना है. शरीर में हो रहे गतिविधियों पर अपनी निगाह रखनी है. अब त्राटक का अभ्यास शुरू करेंगे. वी विल स्टार्ट द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ त्राटक. Gently, without giving too much of stress to your eyes, open your eyes and gaze at the wick of the flame without blinking your eyes. आंखों को बहुत ही धीरे धीरे खोलिए और दिए की बाती को देखने की कोशिश कीजिए. एक टक आंखों से दिए की बाती को देखना है. Without blinking your eyes. Just practice it without blinking your eyes. एक साक्षी भाव से ज्योत को देखते जाइए. Just like an external observer, observe the flame, the wick of the flame, विदाउट ब्लिंकिंग योर आइज एक टक देखते जाइए. At this point of time, you may come across with different thought processes. You have to just witness the thought processes without getting involved in it. इस समय अगर आपके मन में कोई विचार स्वयं उत्पन्न हो रहे हैं तो उनको सिर्फ एक साक्ष्य भाव से देखते रहना है, उसमें अपने आप को संलग्न नहीं करना है, विचारों को लाना नहीं है, सिर्फ साक्ष्य भाव से देखना है अगर वो आ रहे हैं. कोशिश ये करनी है कि अपना पूरा ध्यान और ज्ञान त्राटक में लगाएं. एक साक्ष्य भाव से ज्योत को एक टक देखते रहिए. शरीर को बिना हिलाए डुलाए एक टक त्राटक करते रहिए. विदाउट गिविंग एनी फिजिकल मूवमेंट्स टू योर बॉडी, practice त्राटक continuously without blinking your eyes. Total awareness of the flame, पूरी सजगता केवल ज्योत पर, और पूरी तन्मयता के साथ त्राटक का अभ्यास करते रहिए. Complete awareness of the flame, the wick of the flame. Total awareness of the flame. Do not get lost in any thoughts. अगर कोई विचार मन में आ भी रहे हैं तो केवल एक दृष्टाभाव से उन्हें देखना है, उनके साथ संलिप्त नहीं होना है. You don't have to get involved in the thoughts. to just become an external observer and observe your thoughts. And always remember, you have to be aware that you are practicing Tratak, so keep your awareness only on the flame. Gaze at the flame, effortless gazing. Do not try to force your eyes. It will just slightly support your eyes to gaze at the flame. No need to put too much of force. Your eyes should be relaxed. Continue your practice. त्राटक का अभ्यास जारी रखिए. By this time, you may notice tears starts rolling down from your cheeks. So once tears starts coming out, you can stop the practice, followed with palming. Now very gently, very slowly, close your eyes. Gently close your eyes. And give palming to your eyes. Slowly rub your palms. And once your palms are warm, keep your palms on your eyeballs. Give press and release palming. Gently press your eyeballs with your palms. 5 to 6 times. Now without opening your eyes, keeping your eyes closed, बिना आँखों को खोले हुए, आँखों को बंद रखते हुए ही अब आपको धीरे से शवासन में लेट जाना है. जस्ट लाई डाउन ऑन योर बैक इन शवासन. लाई डाउन ऑन योर बैक इन शवासन. Just close your eyes and just let go. Spread your legs, hands beside your body, keeping your eyes closed. Observe your breath. शवासन की स्थिति में दोनों पांव, दोनों हाथ शरीर के बगल में, दोनों पांवों के बीच में 1 से 1.5 फीट का अंतर रखिए. एंड जस्ट रिलैक्स. अपना पूरा ध्यान श्वास प्रश्वास पर रखिए. जस्ट ऑब्जर्व योर होल बॉडी. एक साक्षी भाव से पूरे शरीर का निरीक्षण करना शुरू कीजिए. श्वास प्रश्वास पर और पूरे शरीर में हो रहे अलग अलग गतिविधियों पर अपने मन को लाने की कोशिश कीजिए. यहाँ पर कुछ भी केंद्रित नहीं करना है. टू जस्ट सी योर बॉडी इज रिलैक्स्ड, योर बॉडी इज स्ट्रेस्ड. You want to laugh, you want to cry. Just witness what is happening inside you. अंतर्मुखी होकर अपने आप को मन से अंदर से देखने की कोशिश कीजिए. इस समय आपको कोई भी एक्टिविटी करनी नहीं है, सिर्फ साक्षी भाव से देखना है, देखते जाना है. और अगर कहीं पर भी कुछ भी तकलीफ है या कोई भी एक्टिविटी आपको समझ में आती है तो उसको सिर्फ ऑब्जर्व करना है, देखना है और अपना पूरा ध्यान श्वास प्रश्वास पर रखना है. Just like an external observer, observe your breath. Slow and rhythmic breath. Inhalation and exhalation. एक साक्षी भाव से अपने श्वास और प्रश्वास पर अपनी सजगता को ले जाइए. Just observe the exhalation process, the exhalation point. Just try to observe the point your exhalation starts and your inhalation starts. Just internally try to find out this point कि आप श्वास जब लेते हैं वो बिंदु और जहाँ से श्वास को छोड़ते हैं उस बिंदु पर क्या आप अपना ध्यान केंद्रित कर पाते हैं. So internally you will try to observe this along with your body. Just observe this. You will start witnessing, you will start observing that your body is getting relaxed when you do this. Now slowly take your awareness towards your legs. Just be aware of your toes. of both the legs. Just become aware of your toes. As you are becoming aware of your toes are getting relaxed. Bring your awareness towards your feet. Just move your awareness towards your feet and you see, observe and witness the relaxation at your feet. Your feet are totally relaxed. Now slowly take your awareness towards your ankles. Just observe your ankle joints, both the ankle joints. Just observe it. Just observe it. Your ankles are relaxed. Now slowly take your awareness towards your calf muscles. Just become aware of your calf muscles of both the legs. Just become aware of your calves. And observe it getting relaxed. It is relaxed now. Now very slowly take your observation towards your knees, both the knee joints. Just observe your knees. Both the knees are totally getting relaxed. You are not trying to do anything, just with the awareness. As you are aware of your knees, automatically your knees are relaxed. Bring your awareness towards your thighs. Become aware of your upper thigh, back of your thigh, and both sides of your thighs, of both the legs. Just be aware for some time. Just be aware for some time. Your thighs are relaxed. Bring your awareness towards your hips and hip joints. Just become aware of your hips and hip joints. Just be aware of this area and it's relaxed. Now slowly take your awareness towards your abdomen. Relax your abdominal area. Just become aware of your abdomen and relax your abdomen. Bring your awareness slowly towards the chest area, right and left portions of the chest. Just become aware of your chest. It is getting relaxed. Your chest is relaxed. Relax your shoulders, arms, elbows, forearm, wrist, palms and fingers. Now take your awareness towards your back, low back, middle and upper back. Your whole back is relaxed. Take your awareness towards your neck, front portion, back and both sides of your neck. Just observe, your neck is relaxed. Relax the area of your head which is touching the floor, which is in contact with the floor. Relax. Just observe your forehead. Do not have any wrinkles on your forehead. Just observe and relax it. Relax your forehead, eyebrows, eyebrow center, eyes, nose, lips, chin, cheeks and ears. Now observe your whole body from the top of the head to the tips of the toes. It is totally relaxed. Just observe your breathing and your body. Just observe एक दृष्टा भाव से अपने शरीर को और अपने मन को देखने की कोशिश कीजिए. सिर्फ दृष्टा भाव से देखना है और कुछ नहीं करना है. देखते जाइए बस. शांति पाठ करते हैं. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. Just observe your body. Just observe your body. Now, very gently turn towards your right side. Come to sitting position and gently rub your palms, give palming to your eyes and open your eyes. Namaskar.